My life was hard, it just had to be. Yeah. Why me turn my dreams to reality?
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Kicks Reborn here. As you can see, we got the Black Cat 4s. They're pretty dirty, not that much. As you can see, little scuffs here and there, little marks. We're gonna be cleaning that up with a suede kit and the brushes. Not too much water on these because the material, it's not suede, but it's definitely just a little different. So we're gonna be fixing these up today, and let's get right into it. So we're gonna be taking the laces out on this shoe, and we're gonna be using this shoe for before and after purposes. So let's untie this. So today we'll also probably be throwing these in the wash. Get them looking good. Try to get the shape back. There's not really no creasing in the shoe box, in the toe box, but just little creasing on the sides right there. So I'm gonna try to take that out. Lace is not that bad. So now we got the shoelaces out. These are pretty clean, to be honest. But we got the water solution right here. We're gonna throw them in though after. So that's gonna sit on the side. Most likely gonna start off with a soft brush just to clean up the material a little bit. And use the suede brush to be resetting the material back to the smooth self. So let's get right into that. Alright, so we just cleaned up this side with a soft bristle brush. The suede material was already looking real clean. Like I said, these weren't too dirty. So look at that. Just compared to the other side, looking fresh, shiny. This side, I'm gonna get to clean that now. Shoe's looking pretty good already. So we're gonna keep on cleaning with the soft bristle just a little bit, just going over certain spots just to clean it real up. And then we're gonna get some midsoles with the medium brush, and that's all we're gonna need, I'm pretty sure, for the bottoms as well. Most will use the stiff bristle brush for this bottom, but Definitely no brass bristle brush involved today. And then, I don't know about a wash, to be honest. I thought I was gonna need a wash for these, but they're looking pretty clean already, so probably just gonna keep on going over the soft bristle brush and just finish it off with that. Look at that. It already came back to life. Just with a soft bristle brush and some Reshoevn-Air solution. So we're gonna get to the midsoles now. Just with a medium brush. That's probably what I'm just gonna use on the bottom as well. And we're gonna see what the shoe's looking like right after. But most likely we'll probably just put some deodorizer and shoe and stain repellent, and the shoe will be done. So it's gonna be a quick, easy clean for us today. Whole midsole shining all shining. Whole shoe, to be honest, shining. I could pull the other one out now, and I'll show you just already. Just from that quick clean, shoes already looking way smoother. So we're gonna keep on cleaning these up, but shoes pretty much almost done. Just cleaned the other side of the midsoles. Both sides looking clean. Now I'm just about to brush it off. Bottoms, still some gunk right there. So we're gonna keep on cleaning it up with the medium. And then we're gonna hit it with the suede kit, just to make the material feel smoother and brand new. And this shoe's gonna be done. Let's continue. So now y'all gonna hit it with the suede brush, and we're just gonna brush in one direction and bring this material just to its original state. Alright, y'all, just brushed it down with the suede brush a little bit. This material is really not suede, so you're not gonna do too much just to knock out the dust, really what it was for. But this is the Black Cat 4 after just a soft and medium brush with some Reshoevn-Air solution. Quick, easy clean. The other shoes right here. as you can see, the difference and the, look at that. This is a faded out black, brand new shiny black. Midsoles, dusty. Can't even see the inside of the airbox. As you can see right here, shiny new black, airbox clear. Laces, gonna throw these in the solution. These would be good. Laces weren't really dirty, so wouldn't really make a difference. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished results of the Black Cat 4s. So off camera, I ended up spraying mink oil on them. Hold on, let me get this to focus. As you can see, real clean. So off camera, I ended up spraying mink oil and spray and stain repellent on these. And I ended up lacing these up. Look at them, looking real clean, real good. Looking like a brand new shoe. So yeah, the mink oil, it was really for suede, but it made the black re-shine, look brand new. So it worked for this shoe. This is the finished result though, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
My life was hard.